let's go here. Let me show you this. DFW is at 54, 41 hundredths of an inch of rain today. We're going to probably double that or more over the next 24 hours. You take a look at rainfall totals since Friday. A lot of areas have picked up kind of in that 1/10 to 3/4 of an inch range. Areas to the southeast a little bit higher. Meridian 1.06. Athens a half, Canton just over an inch. Dallas, that's at Love Field, 0.4. Meacham, Fort Worth Meacham, 4,500. So a decent rain has fallen over the last 24 hours. We're taking a break now across the Metroplex. Western portions of our area under the gun for at least maybe a couple of strong severe thunderstorms. I showed you that severe thunderstorm watch that's in effect for Comanche, Eastland counties, as well as Palo Pinto counties until 4 o'clock in the morning. So it's thunderstorms that could produce some hail, mainly south of I-20 overnight tonight. Those thunderstorms getting together. Here's the timeline of those as we go through tonight. 3 o'clock in the morning. This stuff here, not severe. This stuff down here, possibly severe with some hail potential. So that's 3 o'clock in the morning. This is 5 a.m. Widespread rain again in the Metroplex, so it's going to be a rainy start to the day on Sunday. 5 a.m. is very early. If you're up at 5 o'clock in the morning, you're going to hear the rain. If you go to 7, a lot of that rain's starting to shift east of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Still a good soaking of rain, though, in Collin County, down to Dallas County and Ellis County, even in Navarro County. Again, that's where there could be some strong to severe thunderstorms early tomorrow morning with some large hail potential. Then we get into 9. 8 o'clock to 9, most of the heavy rain is in East Texas by then. For the rest of Sunday, we're left with scattered showers. So Sunday, even though the heaviest and most widespread rain is in the morning, we're not done with it when we get into the afternoon. It's just more scattered in nature. So again, severe weather threat, it's very low. It's a 1 on a 1 to 5 for up to quarter-size hail. Right now, the severe threat is here. It will kind of migrate south of I-20 and farther to the east by the time we get to tomorrow morning. Now, Sunday afternoon, more scattered rain is in the forecast. You see this up here. This is a rain-snow mix. This is snow falling farther to the northwest. There may be a brief transition to snow or just a rain-snow mix in our northwestern counties Sunday evening. This is 7 p.m. Dallas-Fort Worth area. No snow. It looks like it's going to stay over toward Bowie and Graham, maybe Gainesville and as close as Decatur. You see how that snow starts to kind of wrap up as we get into 11 p.m. and then certainly overnight. We dry out and then we clear out. By the time we get to Monday morning, we'll have sunshine back in the forecast. So there's your winter weather potential. All rain for the Dallas-Fort Worth area Sunday. Gainesville, let's say Decatur, down through Breckenridge and then west. That's where some snow could mix in. 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch of rain additional for the Metroplex. Man, it's going to be a pretty good winter storm out in the Panhandle. From Amarillo down to Lubbock, east to Childress, there's a winter storm warning in effect for snowfall up to 4 to 8 inches. It's going to be a pretty good snow there. That's the bullseye right here. Between Amarillo and Lubbock, that's where there could be 4 to 8 inches of snow. Back home, not much. Elevated or grassy surfaces through Sunday night, we're talking less than an inch. And it's all gone by Monday morning. We stay above freezing, so 0 impact to travel if it even does snow tomorrow night. Tonight, 49. Rain becomes widespread late tonight. Tomorrow, it's scattered rain in the afternoon after widespread rain in the morning. 52, here's the 14-day. February is doing okay. This feels like a repeat of the last 3 weeks because it rains in the weekend. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday hit, and then it starts to get warmer and warmer. 70 by Thursday. Does that sound familiar?
Yeah.
And then another cool down for the weekend with another chance of rain. It's like clockwork. More rain for the weekend, warmer temperatures for the work week. It's kind of the opposite of what I think most people want. Not us, though.